Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with fourth chapter of statics of class 11, and today we are going to discuss variable types, individual series, frequency series, discrete series, and frequency distribution. So let's begin with concept of variable. A characteristic or a phenomena which is capable of being measured and changes its value over time is called a variable. Thus, a variable refers to that quantity which is subject to change and which can be measured by some units. There are two types of variables, discrete and continuous. Discrete variables are those variables that increase in jumps or in complete numbers like 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 20, 70. Continuous variables assumes a range of values or increase not in a jumps but continuously on in fraction are called continuous variable. The difference between discrete and continuous variable is that it is that while discrete variable assumes value in complete numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and continuous variable assumes variable in fraction like 2.4, 4.6 and 6.8 and like that goes on. Now, what is individual series? Individual series are those series in which the items are listed singly, whereas frequency series may be of two types, discrete series or frequency error or discrete or frequency distribution. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of times an item occurs or repeats itself in the series. Class frequency, the number of times an item repeats itself corresponding to a range of values is called class interval. Now what are telebars? Every time an item occurs, a telebar is marked against that item. Corresponding to a particular class interval, each telebar signifies one occurrence of that item. Two telebars would mean that a constant item has occurred twice in a series. After 4, the fifth tally will cross out all the previous 4 tallies, thus making group of 5. This method of marking and counting is known as a 4 and cross method. Now what is discrete series or frequency array? A discrete series or frequency array is that series in which frequency data are presented in a way that exact measurement of items are clearly shown and understandable. Frequency distribution. It is that series in which items cannot be exactly measured. The items assumes a range of values and are replaced within the range or are limits. In other words, data are classified into different classes with a range. The range is called class interval. Each item in the series is written against a particular class interval by way of tally bar. The number of times an item occurs is shown as frequency against the class interval to which that item belongs. So, what is class interval? The extreme values of the class are limit. Every class interval has two limits, lower limit and upper limit of the class interval. Taking the example 5-10. In this example, 5 is the lower limit, whereas 10 is the upper limit. So, in frequency distribution, there are of 5 types: exclusive, inclusive, open-end, cumulative, and mid-value frequency series. Exclusive series is that series in which every class interval excludes item corresponding to its upper limit. Whereas in inclusive series, all items up to upper limit are mentioned. Open-end series means the lower limit of the first class interval and the upper limit of the last class interval are missing, that below 5 or 20 and above. Cumulative frequency series is that series in which the frequency are continuously added corresponding to each class interval in the series. So, students, that's all about variable types, series, frequency series, frequency distribution series. So thank you and have a nice day.